I'm going to discuss about how to install Ruby in Cygwin. So first here, opening the terminal, at this place writing the Ruby. Then you can see Ruby command not found. So first here, let's open or set up exe file of Cygwin. Then click on this next, install, next, next, and this is here. You need to select the site, next, and here this is doing some download, and now this has, thereafter you need to click on this full, and this place search the Ruby. So Ruby search, then after here click, so this is the version or available, so I'm going to use here 3.22 this version. Then after here you can see this is unskippable, and this is about the Ruby interpreted object-oriented scripting language, and this is the size is there. Okay, so after that you need to click on this next, and this all those things is going to install. Click on this next. So for this one, internet must be connected. To download and install this all depend upon your net speed. If the faster, then it will download soon. Installation status completed successfully. Click on this finish. Then after you need to close this one, open. Thereafter let's open the terminal, and this place writing here Ruby minus minus version. So this is the version that I just installed. After that, the next is let's open, or let's create here new text file, and this place let's use here puts command, and inside there writing hello world, and this we need to save. So save as, so saving on the desktop, giving the name abc.rb. So that's saved. Here you can see the tabs. This is if I right click and go on these properties, then file type is now RB file. After that, the next is there I'm going to copying the location of this, and using the cd command to change the directory. And for Ruby, we need to give here backward slash. Now press enter, directory that has changed. Then after I'm going to run this. Okay. So for this one, we need to write here Ruby, then give the file name abc.rb. Press enter. So hello world, that's displaying. So this is how we can here install Ruby by using the Cygwin or terminal. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.